Okay, vibers, welcome to another video. And as you already know, I'm still bullish on two main projects. Hedera Hashgraph and SingularityNet still remain my two main projects in the entire crypto space. They are my favorites. They are solving real life issues and they have clear path to adoption. But in this video, I'll be looking into a project that I think can be massive as well in the future. But just like the other two, the goal is to hold for the long term. The special project is DAOstack. When we say DAOs, we mean Decentralized Autonomous Organization. It's an effective way of providing governance to organizations ranging from grants, applications, physical spaces, and alliance. But before we even start, I want to say thank you to everyone who has already subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate the support. And if you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to help us grow the channel. And also in the comment section, please vibe with everyone. Now, let's get back to DAOstack. It's an open source project advancing the technology and adoption of decentralized governance. A DAO is a network of stakeholders with no central governing body, just a set of rules encoded on a blockchain. As many DLTs are trying to solve the issues with decentralization, scalability, and security, most of these projects have totally ignored the importance of effective governance. This has transferred the responsibility of decision making to the core developers and miners. And most of the time, they make decisions that go in their favor and not what favor the general usage of the network. Hedera Hashgraph is one of the few networks with a clear path to governance, but most projects lack this essential aspect of adoption. So I'll be looking at the vision of DAOstack. The DAOstack project is building a modular open source software stack for DAOs that includes a library of governance protocols and friendly interfaces for creating and managing DAOs. So instead of just building one DAO use case, they have built an easy to use, scalable, and a cheaper platform to help organizations solve the numerous problems with governance. So one of the app projects is Alchemy. A DAOstack friendly DAO interface is already live and has DAOs built on top of it. Let's look at some of the projects that have already been built on the platform. We have DAO from Kyber Networks. DXdao, it already has a token trading and you can search for it on CoinMarketCap. Genesis Alpha is the Genesis DAO and it's a grants DAO launched by the DAOstack itself to support the development of the DAOstack project. And also we have Polkadot, a DAO from Polkadot. Yes, it's built on top of this network. And there are a lot of articles, and Polkadot itself has written an article about this, and DAOstack is mentioned. Also in that article, they went on to state that the DAOstack native token, which is called Gen, is going to be staked to make decisions on the back end. So Polkadot is operated by DAOstack. DAOstack native token is called Gen, which is staked to make decisions on what will or will not get funded. So it's really a big deal, and we all know the hype around Polkadot right now. So I think it's really good that DAOstack is involved with Polkadot. Now let's look at some of the interesting aspects of DAOstack. We have something called holographic consensus. It's a process that allows decisions in a large-scale DAO to be made quickly and locally by the approval of relatively small amounts of influence in the DAO, while ensuring those decisions to actually reflect the opinion of the absolute majority of influence in that DAO. Let's look at something that we, the token investors, usually go for. That is the token economics. Gen is designed to have a core utility in the governance of decentralized organization, helping them scale efficiently without compromising their values. To further increase the use of the token of the network, the Gen Predictor network is introduced. Organizations built on DAOstack are free to install the Gen prediction system in their own governance schemes. Here is how it works. So let's say first we have a default proposal. This is where the absolute majority agrees on a proposal. Mostly this is used in a small DAO. Then we have boosted proposal. In this stage, a proposal is open for some time, let's say a week, and after the period ends, the outcome of the relative majority is passed. Now, here's where the predictor network comes in. To be able to protect the boosted proposals, the community is allowed to make a prediction on the outcome of the proposal in a form of staking using the Gen token, the token of this DAOstack network. So all these network building on top of it are going to use the Gen token in this predictor network system. This is a good way for a DAO to involve even the DAOstack community and its ecosystem. In conclusion, I think DAOstack is solving a real issue with decentralization by making it easier, cheaper, and faster for organizations to run effectively. As of this moment, there are a lot of projects aiming to bring decentralized governance to blockchain space, but DAOstack and Aragon are the only two projects that are focused on broader markets, but not specific niche. Like right now, we have some that are going for DeFi and a whole lot of other things, but DAOstack and Aragon are the one providing the network, the platform that all these networks can build their DAOs. But considering the team, the market cap, as well as the involvement of other networks such as Polkadot, I think DAOstack is a better option. But all of these are here because I want to share with you. And also, you don't have to forget that this is for the long term. This is not something that you buy and you probably sell in a couple of months. I think this is something that you're going to hold for at least a couple of years. I think DAO is also something that can be huge in the future. If you're willing to hold this for the long term, then I think you are really into a good project. But before I end this, you have to understand this is not a financial advice. I'm not giving any financial advice here. I'm just educating and bringing you all the information I know about this project. So please go ahead and do a lot of research if you are intending to put your money into this. So again, subscribe please, and bye.